take good care of you. You look so sad. Maybe you're hungry.
Some food.
So you're not hungry?
Children, pass the ball.
Huh? Is it too hard for you? You don't want to eat? You don't want to play? What do you want?
I should take a nap.